Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. Today we will learn about adverb. First of all, we'll define it. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. We know that verb is an action word and adjective describes a noun. We have discussed both of these topics in our previous video. You can learn more from there. We can also say that adverb gives us more information about verb. An adverb is a describing word that tells us how, when, where, or how often an action happens. Basically, adverb adds information in the verb and tells us more about it. Now, we will discuss some example. First of all, we have the baby sleeps quietly. Here, sleeps is a verb and the word describing it is quietly. It is telling us that how the sleep is. So, quietly is an adverb here. In next example, we will go tomorrow. Here go is verb and the word modifying it is tomorrow. It is showing that when will the action take place. So tomorrow is an adverb here. Next we have the bird is outside. Here outside is an adverb. In next example we have he always helps his friend. Now, always is an adverb because it is modifying the verb helps. He always helps his friends. So, always is an adverb. Now there is a confusion between adverb and adjective. Look here. Adverb describe a verb and we know verb is an action word. Next, adjective describes a noun and we know noun is a naming word. Now look at the example. She dresses elegantly. Here dresses is a verb. Now elegantly is an adverb because it is giving us more information about the verb. Next we have her dress is elegant. Now dress is a naming word and elegant is here an adjective because it is giving us information about a dress which is noun. In next example we have she is a quick learner. Here learner is a noun and quick is an adjective because it is giving us information about noun. Next she learns quickly. Now learn is a verb and quickly is an adverb because quickly is telling us about a verb. So quick is an adjective and quickly is an adverb. Next we have the boy is happy. Now boy is a naming word and happy is describing it. So happy is an adjective. In next example we have the boy smiled happily. Now smiled is a verb and the word describing it is happily. So happily is an adverb. So adverb basically gives us information about verb and adjective gives us information about a noun. Now it's activity time. You will hunt the verb and tell me the soldier fought bravely. Now here tell me what is verb and what is an adverb. You will write the verb and adverb both of them in the comment section. Next we have she spoke kindly. Now here spoke is a verb and the word describing it is kindly. So kindly is an adverb. She spoke kindly. Kindly is an adverb. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.